Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the English class for 8th grade. So today we are going to study part of a house, and the objective of the class is identify parts of a house and the purpose for each one. El objetivo de la clase es que ustedes puedan identificar las partes de una casa y el propósito de cada habitación. Please don't forget to wear a mask and wash your hands. Please pay attention and repeat, please. It is very important for you to learn this vocabulary. Okay? So we have here bedroom. Please repeat bedroom. Bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. Living room. Living room. Dining room. Dining room. Kitchen. Kitchen. Garage. Garage. Yard. Yard. Okay, so here we have vocabulary number 2. Cook. Repeat please. Cook. Watch TV. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Have lunch. Have lunch. Have dinner. Have dinner. Play soccer. Play soccer. Take a shower. Take a shower. Sleep. Sleep. Keep. Keep. Let's review. Cook, watch TV, have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner, play soccer, take a shower, sleep, keep. Okay, now here we have a short conversation. Please pay attention and repeat. Where do you have breakfast? Where do you have breakfast? Where do you have breakfast? So the answer is I have breakfast. I have breakfast in the dining room. I have breakfast in the dining room. Okay? So in Spanish it would be like ¿Dónde desayunas? And the answer, yo desayuno en el comedor. Where do you have breakfast? I have breakfast in the dining room. Dining room. All right. And here we have conversation number 2. Where do you take a shower? Where do you take a shower? Where do you take a shower? I take a shower in the... So what is the correct answer? Where do you take a shower? In the dining room, in the living room, in the kitchen, in the garage? Where? In the bathroom. I take a shower in the bathroom. So this is conversation number 2. Number 3. Where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? Where do you sleep? I sleep in the... So what is the correct answer? I sleep in the garage? No. I sleep in the living room? No. I sleep in the kitchen? No, that's not correct. I sleep in the yard? No. So what is the correct answer? I sleep in the bedroom. Bedroom. I sleep in the bedroom. Ok, jóvenes, eso fue todo por hoy. Ahí les enviaré la tarea. Espero se aprendan bien ese vocabulario, right? So, thank you very much and goodbye.